Watch. Of the world, it's not a plan. Here we go on, man. Hey, yo, franchise the choosing one, the 10-star general. You know when I come to represent, you know a full effect thing, don't it? You know it go already, you know. When me aim up, load up, crank up, drop necessary equipment and sound the big thing them, you know a loud explosion about it. Watch this now, man. You know one of the most electrifying man on YouTube entertainment business. Watch this. You know a Gaza favorite. Watch. Here we go on now. Right about now, you know. We about, you know, to big up the world boss and sick rhyme for that one day. So, I see say the world boss are going to let go sick rhyme big time for 2020. So big up yourself, sick rhyme. You're going to get paid for all the good works where you do. You hear that? Now say nothing youth. Because I see say a time for the general let you loose now and that the general I do. You see what I deal with? So it's like not saying a walk in the park, but it's like a slam dunk. Because we like a Superman thing there. So here we go on now. You know, say, right now, you know, you have some boy, you know, me hear a come on, and a chat about man himself drop him album, and in a 2016, and him claim couple weeks after that, Vybz Kartel come drop the King of the Dancehall album, and him claim say, you know, Vybz Kartel, I call himself a self-proclaimed king. At that time, you know, the boy marr. That me hear him a chat up his mouth and I say, so him claim when Vybz Kartel drop that new album, Exile Pharaoh, Alkaline a go drop for him album and call himself the new king. Make him try that fuck, and you see what happen. You hear that? Make him try that. Him a king for what? King for what? King for what? Dancehall? Oh, him a the king for body wash. Well, if for that, you want, the title you want give him, it's okay. But I just want to show you how on sound can cheer and a stereo want to stir up vendetta fans them for come and try for hold some form of argument because you see Gaza light shine so bright, right? And you try dim it. But watch this now, man. People, I want to tag footer hype, you know, and make him know, you know. Say the MVP blogger them, you know. Them out on the street, you know. Right now in a tights, you know. And tongue, you know. And have on purple and mask, you know. Because every one of them want to be like Prince. And claim say them a display the finest tongue in America. And I don't know if I true a Halloween, why most of them are dressed like a drag queen. You see what I deal with? Watch. You know a lollipop thing. So anytime them whole foot of hype and the farmer raping business go on, we know who responds to it. You hear me I say Gaza Nation? The boy see Vybz Kartel a bomb down the place. And I drop necessary equipment and I create be a loud explosion all over the place. And some little man will sit back and nah do no work. He might try to push up the man name up on the man like him as a joker. You know see what Vybz Kartel do? You know see a show Vybz Kartel show him look at you them the way. Eh? You know see the man, you know see the man, you know see the man bred them to come take over the dancehall. It come like you not see what go on, it come like you blind. Eh? Yo, remember say them youth, they are not sprinter, you know, to this thing, you know. Them youth, they are sprinter steer, you know. That mean, you know, them game, you know. You know what I mean when I say game, that mean him don't know how to do a fucker song. It not in him DNA. A be a classical song him know for do. You hear that? Him equal to the task. Him bred for the distance. Say no matter if a 16 furlong or 12 furlong, them youth they have the stamina what it takes. You hear what me I say? The youth them bred for the distance, this dancehall distance. Some of them are early pace setter. Them blaze the trail and 5 furlong out and them blow up and burn up and start go one pace. Them youth are youth bred for the distance. Remember, people, them youth are not create no form of clout, not create no form of gimmicks, no fool thing on the internet, forget be knowing, not even get them song display, all lower Vybz cartel youth, them, And have to remember, people, so them youth, they not sing no about no slackness thing, and the youth, them song nice. You see what I deal with? And the people them love it. You see what I deal with? So right about now, Vybz Kartel a push the youth them for come take over this shit. You see what I deal with? So me no know one of they are chat about, And even if I look on the outskirt where would I slip in farm in a line, it's not you people because you don't have it. Uno get una chance and all no uno no make yes you side. I mean like uno be knowing yes, uno be internet knowing and uno have some local hit song. All know the major part of the world no know who uno is my brethren. And no lollipop thing. I couldn't the album where Fever depend. You did a chat about. We have big international hits that I don't know which R&B and hip hop and pop station the song they don't play upon up here. Don't get it twisted, youth, and don't get it bright. Understand yourself and know what you do. And me say, you tag footer hype because the boy them out there in a tights and tongue and through a Halloween them claim them are dressed like a drag queen. You know the general, the 10 star wanna represent in a full effect. Gaza Nation, you know me thing go when me I represent. What? Gaza way, There ain't no other way, Watch this, man. A 10 star, The general, The chosen one, The people's champion,